Uploading large video files can be a nightmare, especially if your internet is slow or your platform has limits. But compressing a video doesn't mean sacrificing quality if you use the right tool. Before we jump in, like the video and hit subscribe so you never miss a quick tech tutorial. Step 1. Use HandBrake, free software. Go to handbrake.fr and download the app. It's open source and safe. Open your video in HandBrake. Step 2. Use the right preset. On the right side, choose a preset like Fast 1080p 30 for most content, YouTube 720p if you're making shorts or reels. Leave most of the settings as is, but under video, set the constant quality to around 22. That's a good balance of size and clarity. Step 3. Export and compare. Click Browse to choose where to save, then click Start Encode. Once done, compare the file size and playback. You'll see a big size drop with almost no quality difference. If that saved you time or bandwidth, like this video and subscribe. We're all about smarter editing and uploading. If you found this video helpful, give it like and hit subscribe button and press bell icon for more tech videos like that. And if you faced any issue, you can comment down in comment section. I will help you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.